Okay, you guys, it's me again, and we are having another crock-pot dinner because they're wonderful and amazing. So we're having the chicken fajita, again, familyfreezer.com. All the information will be down below in the description box, guys. It is a brand new week too, welcome. But anyway, chicken fajitas, we are going to put this in the crock pot, and we're gonna serve it with salad. So like iceberg, I just wrote a note on here, avocados, diced avocado, diced tomato. My hubby, I requested he make his corn salsa, which is super, super good. I love his corn salsa. And then we're going to just corn salsa. Oh, I have corn, white corn tortillas that we love. So some people can eat it on salad. Some people can put it into like a taco tortilla shell if they want to. And then we'll have the corn salsa on the side. So that is what's for dinner. We're trying to keep it simple. That is a very simple dinner for us because it's family night and we want to be with our family instead of cooking. This guy tends to cook for like 2 hours on family night, and that's really what family night has been spent doing.
But everyone's happy when I cook.
But we miss family night.
We do.
Without the family. It's not happening anymore. So this is our fix for it so we can be together. So anyway, you guys, I will show you tonight after this is done cooking, when everything comes together. I'm sure my honey has shared his corn salsa with you guys before.
Oh yeah, corn salsa with this.
Have you shared the how-to, the corn salsa?
Have not, but I could tonight.
Tonight. He'll get you guys tonight.
What's going on, my fajita friends? Yeah. So, corn chowder, the digs, the 411, the what's going down. So, this is going to be precise, people. No judgment, no comments. This is how precise this is going to be. Plus or minus 6 cups of rice. No, just joking. So, I got 3 cups of rice here. We get the Costco frozen organic, so I just thaw it out in the strainer. So 3 cups of rice. Usually do 2 avocados. This is 2.5 just because I had a half of leftover one from lunch and you can see it's starting to brown up, so we're going to throw it in there anyway. I like to get avocados for this that are on the firmer side because you're going to stir everything up today when you eat it, and then maybe tomorrow if you have leftovers you're going to stir it again, and if they're really soft they're just going to get mushy and blend in, so you want them to stay chunky. So I got usually it's 2 avocados. I don't know what that is, probably half a cup of diced onions, got some garlic there, a lime that will juice. I cut it so I could juice it to keep it fresh. Some cilantro, probably only use about half of that. The other half we'll throw on the fajitas. And then usually do 2 large Romas, but I did 3 small ones tonight because that's all we had. So 3 Romas, de-gutted and de-seeded, and basically I cut them half and scoop everything out. That way they're nice and dry and they're not all slimy and stuff. So that's everybody that's going to be coming to the party. Let's take them to the party. What do you say? Let's get them in the pool and go from there. Bam! Just like that, corn salsa. Everybody's in the pool, stirred up. This is another one of those recipes that works best too if you can give it a few hours in the fridge, like half a day or overnight or whatever. Like we'll eat tonight's dinner on it, but it'll taste way better tomorrow. And then salt and pepper as you guys, as your taste buds require it. I put a little salt, a little bit of pepper in there, not a whole lot, probably half a teaspoon of each just to give it a little bit of flavor. But that's it for the salsa, guys. Hope you guys enjoy that. Let's get some dinner dished up and get our grub on later. Alright, peoples, we're getting dinner done here. And so we got all the fine trimmings. We got the tortillas and all the, I saw they got some lettuce. Thanks for cooking, Mom. You
finished. So this is how it always goes. I start dinner, he finishes dinner.
There you go. So that's your finished product, people. We got a little bit of lettuce, some fajita up on there, some tortillas on the side, and some of that fine corn salsa. Yeah. All right, guys. That's what's for dinner on Friday night. What's going on, peoples? Welcome to Saturday. Welcome to the weekend show, right? Sorry, got a little meat on me there. So tonight we're gonna go basic meat and taters kind of dinner tonight. We're gonna throw some pork chops right there that we had frozen in the freezer, and they're all thawed out. We're gonna throw those up on the smoker. Gonna do a little bit of potatoes. Got a couple sweets in there, and then the rest of the regular potatoes. Maybe some broccoli or something, I don't know. And we'll call it a dinner. So let's get to work here. Go, yeah. You hear that? That's the best sound in the world right there. That's getting your smoke on. Got some burgers going down tonight and a steak for the honey poo. Yeah, that's right. She wanted a steak tonight. So got some burgers, do a salad, and some tater wedges. All right, people, so dinner is done. We are wrapping up. We have got our little tater wedges there. Got the steak for the missus. By the way, I gotta say that's like perfectly cooked, by the way, right there. And then we've got smoked burgers there, and we got the kids all dished up. So us adults will do lettuce wraps, and then the kids just get it like that. So that is what is for dinner on, I don't know what today is, Sunday. Sunday night's dinner, later. So tonight's dinner consists of an early birthday party for Mom. There's the cake.
Grandpa went and picked up a cake that's gluten-free.
Thanks, Grandpa.
So
You're
it's
welcome, guys.
from the
Oh boy, you're gonna ask me, aren't you?
Back to Eden.
Back to Eden Bakery.
Portland area, Portland, Oregon. Go to that bakery because it smells delicious and they're really super nice.
We can actually eat.
Take your time, Grandpa.
And the girls are excited because they can eat everything.
Everything
I'll
on the
take
cake.
the big portion.
All right, kids, ready?
Yep.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mom. Happy birthday to you. Let her rip.
I don't know if I can blow out this mini. You ready? Okay.
Boy, if you can't, you got some real problems.
2, 3.
Yay!
Yay! I should have got the ones that don't go out.
Are you
That's
excited
all
for
right.
cake?
She's like staring at it. Okay, turn the light on.
All right, guys, dinner's over. Let's eat.
Can we eat the lemon?
So there's the cake, guys. Look at that. 2-layer.
Here, Josh.
God, it's so pretty and it tastes so good.
I don't know. What did you get? What was it?
A lemon Marionberry with a vanilla bean custard.
There you go. So there it is. Looks good.
So good. And if
Tastes
you
delicious, too.
guys have eaten there from Portland, let me know what your favorite is because I think this is needs to go in the budget.
All right, happy birthday, Ma.
Thank you.
Now let's eat this wonderful cake. All right, people. So we got our SOS. What is it?
SOSDD.
SOSDD
Hey, that's not what you're supposed to say.
rice there.
Standard operating procedure.
SOP. That's what it was. SOP. I knew it was SO something. So we got standard just sticky rice there.
The chicken came out good.
I don't remember what that was called. Is it
Thai chicken.
Thai chicken?
Orange
No.
Orange chicken.
Orange ginger.
Orange ginger chicken. There you go. Rice and standard broccoli. Bomb.com right there, people. Look at that. It's got some chickens up on the rice. Little fork there. Some broccoli. Maybe we'll throw some sweet chili up on that. Sweet chili red on that bad boy. That's what's for dinner Sunday night, people. Have a good week.
Monday night.
Monday. That's a Monday holiday. Woo. Have a good remainder of your week later. Happy Tuesdays, people. So we are whopping up some SpaghettiOs tonight. So let's get started. So we've got our turkey for the spaghetti. That's the base there. We got all of our usual suspects over here. Got the onions, mushrooms, pinch of garlic there to go in, and then the standard pool of favorites here. So tomato paste, diced tomatoes, Italian seasoning, parsley, oregano, salt and pepper, and garlic. A little bit of garlic powder. I usually have this mix here, but I don't have enough. So we're gonna use this and then make up the difference with the rest of those. So we will slowly start mixing things in, and we'll get you when we're all mixed up here. What's going on, people? So we got everybody in the pool there, all stirred up. Let that simmer for half an hour or so. We're gonna go with some green beans and then spaghetti squash. I just put a little bit of water in there, throw that in the microwave for about 10-15 minutes, and that's what we use for noodles because it'll peel out kind of like spaghetti noodles. So let's get this cooking and we'll dish up.
Sally's has the best.
I'm talking here, guys.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Sally's has the best. That's the best whip. Anyway.
Whatever, right? All right, guys, we are wrapping up. This didn't turn out like it normally does, and I don't know why. I don't know what I did wrong. But it's been a minute since I've cooked one of these. So anyway, we got like half of one that worked. The other one is still like extremely rock hard after like 30 minutes in the microwave. I think I overcooked it. Not enough water. So we went with curly pastas as backup to our spaghetti and green beans. So you get a healthy dose of that is what it looks like with pasta.
This is like rock hard. I need pasta.
All right, well I totally party fouled everything then. Attaboy.
I'd try and gag it down to please you, but it'd be like non on, you know, celery.
Perfect. Okay guys, so we'll scratch the squash tonight. This is what it looks like all dolled up. Happy Tuesday.
Hey you guys, happy Wednesday. It is Wednesday. There are drink cups that did not get washed in our sink, but tonight we are having a spicy beef curry. And all I need to do, I pulled this from the freezer. I just have to add 2 cups of beef broth to it and then cook it on low for 6 hours. So something super exciting that we have done is that we have learned the freedom of freezer dinners, you guys. We tried it like in the past and it didn't really stick, but I think just for this season of life where we're actually trying harder or something, it's working. So Josh and I are gonna meal plan. And we are going to go grocery shopping together, and then we're gonna spend Saturday food prepping our dinners for the next 2 weeks. So we're gonna prep a lot of meals like this. I want to share my process with you guys on how we do that whole thing. I wrote my very first blog post. I will go ahead and link it down below. Go check out our new site. Go give me some love, because it's like I'm a little nervous. I wanted to be a blogger, I guess, for a really long time, but everything finally came together and I'm able to do it, but I got those butterflies big time. So, but I love reading other people's blogs and how that they meal plan and their systems that they use. So go check it out. That will be down below. Give me some love. And but anyway, so yes, that's how we meal plan. That's what works best for us. We cook about half of our meals you know, on the fly, just on with the recipes that we have grocery shopped for, and then the other half we have in the freezer stashed for busy nights. So it's working really good, and I really love this. So I'm gonna go ahead. That was total side distraction. I'm gonna go ahead and get this in the crock pot, and then we will be off to church hopefully on time tonight, and we will not be late. It's for dinner on Wednesday night.
Some beef stew.
Did you think something spilled?
I did. Beef stew and some freshly toasted homemade bread.
It turned out really good. It's supposed to look like Tennessee's, but Josh took all the meat and left the broth. And I love you.
That's all was left.
He does that every time. All right, guys. That is what is for dinner on Wednesday. Don't forget to go check out the new website and the blog that I told you about earlier. It's pretty cool.
So we are wrapping up this week's meal vlog. Thursday night was a leftover beef stewer night. Didn't get that on the vlog here. So that's what we had on Thursday night, was leftover beef stewages. So wrapping up. Hope you guys enjoyed the week. All the delicious meals and finger foods and all that fun stuff that we did. If you guys liked it, give us a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. And can I tell them about the website? Yeah. And go check out the new website, link in the description down below. So we're going to be giving away four full versions of our budget planning, yada yada, and 4 cash envelope systems. And you get to choose the cash envelope. And you get to choose the cash envelope systems, and they have to click on the website and go through that process to get registered, right? There you go. Fill out your information on the window there. That's how you guys get entered in there. So, wrap this up, people. We will see you, well, tonight on the dinner vlog. Later.